a step-by-step guide on how to legalize your TEFL certificate and other documents. Step 1. Get all your documents together. Carefully review the list of required documents from the school where you will be working. These will differ from school to school, but broadly speaking, the 3 most important documents to collate will be 1. A TEFL or TESL qualification certificate. 2. A criminal record check, not always required. 3. Your university degree, not always required. All documents must be legalized in the country in which they were issued. This means that all students worldwide who have completed a TEFL course through the TEFL Academy must get their certificate legalized in the UK. This can be done remotely from anywhere in the world using a digital PDF version of your certificate using our legalization partners. Please email legalizations@theteflacademy.com. UK students may also use this service or choose to legalize all their documents using the same process explained in this video. Step 2. Get a document to prove you don't have a criminal record. You will need to apply to whatever organization deals with this document in your country. Where you apply depends on where you live. You may be able to apply online, although in some countries you must attend in person. You will probably have to pay for this service. Step 3. Get your documents certified, also known as notarized. When you have received your criminal record notification, take a copy and your other documents and keep the copies with the originals. Then take all the documents to be certified or notarized. This means the copies are signed and stamped as copies of a genuine document. In some countries, you can only have your documents notarized by a notary public. And in other countries, a lawyer, bank, doctor, or accountant can do this for you. Search Google for your nearest one. Step 4. Have your documents legalized. You can now send off the certified copies of your documents to the relevant government department. Search Google for document legalization in your country. They will attach a stamped official certificate called an apostille to each document and send them back to you. Your documents are now legalized. Step 5. Get your documents attested. Take all your legalized documents to the embassy or consulate of the country you wish to teach in nearest to where you live. It may be an idea to phone the embassy to inquire if the documents can be sent by post, or whether you must present them in person. The process normally takes between 3 and 4 days. Once you've got the documents back, you can then send them to your employer. If you can't get to the embassy in person, there are many companies that provide this service remotely. Search Google for embassy attestation in your local area. Remember, employers will usually cover the cost of this entire process, so don't forget to ask them when applying for jobs.